In this lesson, I will be taking you through a step by step guide on how you can add a chart in Microsoft Word. Chart helps you to visualize and reflect on your data or the particular kind of information that you are working with. I have an existing document and I will be using this for my illustration. But the first thing you need to do is to create a new page, and you can do that by using the keyboard shortcut Control or Command plus Enter on your keyboard. In case you want to create a new blank workbook, then you have to head over to Home. Then over here, you click on Blank Document. You double click to open that, and you're going to have a new blank document for you. So when you do that, you go ahead and delete this one. Then we have this. Now that we have a new blank document, you head over to Insert and then you look for Chart. Click on this drop down. You can see column. There are different types of charts that you can insert into your document. So there is column chart, the line chart, the pie chart, hierarchy, statistical chart, XY scatter, waterfall, combo, maps, and then you can also manage template if you have some existing chart somewhere and you would want to incorporate that into your blank document. Now let's experiment with the column chart. So you can go with anyone that you prefer depending on the type of data that you have. When you open that, you're going to have a sample data in Excel that you can work with or you can edit or you can replace it entirely with your information. So over here, you can maximize this. You want to maximize this. All right, and then you can click on each number on the X axis to format the numbers that you have. You can also go ahead and then format the numbers that you have in Microsoft Excel. So for instance, I want series 3 to have a value of 8. I'll change that. And when I go to category 1, series 3, category 1 series 3, I have 8 here. So you can work hand in hand with Microsoft Excel to update your data. If you're looking to learn how to use Microsoft Excel, make sure that you check out the videos. I have videos on how to use Microsoft Excel. It's going to help you. So over here you can have some quick layout. When I click on the drop down, you can specify the kind of layout that you want. So you go through the layout and then the one that you prefer, you go with that. So over here you have your series and then your category. When we come back to our Excel file, we have our categories, which is this side. The bottom gives us the categories, which is the X axis. And then we come to our series, the values in our series, which is our Y axis. So you can also change the colors of your chart and make it more nicer. And then you can also select how you want it to be. Click on this drop down, you can have more options to select from. In case in the process of working you want to change this particular chart into something different, all you have to do is click on change chart type. Then you go ahead and select from this option. It can be a pie chart or a line chart or a hierarchy chart. So the one that you want, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any tutorial, because with time I will be uploading more tutorials on how to use Microsoft Word effectively. Now if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment because I would respond to them. And thank you so much for making the time to watch. I hope this video helps.